They want Bangladeshis, not Assamese people. Kirip is one of the last Assamese people still in that party. Otherwise, the Bangladeshi, pro-Bangladeshi party. Yes.
And he has a lovely smile on his face tonight.
He is a defeated expression on his face. He's defeated. He's frustrated. He knows the problems in his party. He's considering his options. He's a senior leader. And he's thinking in the political future ahead, should he go and meet Himanta and say, I can offer my services to the BJP? Because there is nothing. See, Gaurav Gogoi. Now, Gaurav Gogoi doesn't speak Assamese properly. This is also a problem. Right? And plus the Pakistan connections, which came up. Kirip Chaliha, you are not happy about it. You have been sidelined, by the way, in the party. I must say this, ladies and gentlemen. Kirip Chaliha has been totally sidelined. There are people like him who should be given a big role in the party, but they're not. They're not. Right? And you see the condition today. And besides, there's one thing out here. You see, there's a 40% Muslim vote. The problem is, youth people thought, Kirip Chaliha, Neil, Orko, all of you people thought that abusing or alienating Hindus and appeasing Muslims is a guaranteed check to political victory. Now there is a point of no return that all of you people have. Orko, don't look at your phone. Listen to me. I'm telling you, you've reached a point of no return. Now, if you go back to Hindus, tell me, Ratan Sharda, if they go back to Hindus and they say sorry for all the things we have done to you, abuse we have done, anti-Hindu line, will the Hindus forgive them?
Congress become a certified Muslim party right from Telangana to Assam. To all other places, they openly declared they are a Muslim party. They will support Muslim cause.
Yeah, but we are a Hindu majority country. What will happen to them?
Not only that, see, even if you look at the entire situation of Congress, as Gaurav had pointed out, where will Congress go? They are talking of India alliance, but which India alliance?
Which India alliance?
See, Congress cannot win without Muslim votes. In Kerala, it is only depending on Muslim votes. It's considered a Muslim party.
Yes.
In Assam, it has been declared a Muslim party.
It is a Muslim party.
Where does it get its support from? So where does it go? So
maybe they will go back to Hindus now. Maybe they will go back to Hindus and say, forgive us. But that will mean losing the Muslim vote. So they will therefore algorithmically...
So much influenced by the...
Yeah, it's like social media. They will be... So the Congress will become more and more a Muslim party.
They have not reckoned with Hindu unity. They thought that they can break Hindus on the base of caste. They are still trying. So casteist politics is their answer. So 100% Muslim vote, 30% Hindu vote, that is a formula. That formula doesn't work. Bengal has shown it, Assam has shown it. If BJP sticks to true Hindutva philosophy, nobody can defeat it.
Kirip.
And for Congress to believe that they can break Hindu unity, where they have tried very hard on social media and media, I think that is not running well for them at all.
And so it's a national phenomenon. It's a national phenomenon. The civilizational trend in this country, with a strong civilizational feeling across the country.
Of Bengal, from communism, from secularism to Hindutva is a biggest earthquake moment for this Indian politics. And we'll be able to save Bengal, we'll be able to save entire politics from this totally appeasement politics and Hindu hate politics. And Bengal is a turning point. I see new hope in Bharat. I see new hope for the people of Bengal. And this decaying Bengal, which...
But I think Assam, to be fair, Ratan Sharda, Assam, to be fair, is the toughest election. To be fair, I'll tell you, Assam is even tougher than, even tougher than Bengal in a way, because of the demography.
Election in Assam is, you're right, I've been saying this time and again, 40% votes being consolidated by Congress and their secular Muslim partners, and he is fighting for 60% votes, just as in Bengal. 110 seats are already TMC faces their seat, and BJP has to fight with remaining seats. So that situation for Himanta to continue rule for 3 terms and also to defeat the forces of encroachment of illegal immigration, it's not a joke. It is a unique phenomena that Himanta has brought in.
Yeah, incredible coalition politics, delimitation, work on the ground, personal appeals, social welfare schemes, right of center politics, and Hindu vote consolidation.
And can somebody tell you why this continuous opposition for anything that happens? Is Bengal a separate nation?
But
all these TMC people.
But tell me, Kirip Da, don't.
Everybody is an outsider.
Kirip Da, don't feel bad. You can tell me this political import of Gaurav Gogoi. You know, he's more comfortable in Delhi. Let him stay here. Why have you put him in this punishment posting of Assam? He does not relate. People don't relate. Gaurav, right? Let's hear from Kirip Da. You could have been made the chief ministerial face in Assam. You're a senior leader.
Allow me to speak now.
Yeah?
Are you giving me an opportunity to speak now?
See, I will continue
Shout
speaking till you take your turn. You please speak.
May I?
Gaurav, yeah.
First of all, as you know, Arnab, we are Assamese people. We are very soft-spoken. We have certain,
I am also soft-spoken. I am also from Assam. Yeah.
Unfortunately, when
Gaurav.
we are talking,
Gaurav.
can I continue? That soft-spokenness by becoming a good anchor now and shouting with and
Gaurav.
I'm discussing Bengal. Your other half must have made you so forceful. That,
don't make personal comments.
Anyway,
I'll give it back nicely to you. Don't make personal comments. I'll give it nicely to you. Remain within your limit. I'm respecting your age. You want to make comments. You know what happened to you when you targeted, Riniki? You got hammered nicely and properly. One of your leaders is running. You don't cross your line, otherwise I'll make you run also. Don't get personal with me. No, don't try to be personal with me, Kirip Da.
Present the case.
No, besi no koribo. Besi no koribo.
Don't shout all the time.
cross kori se line pilag no koribo.
Why did you join a debate on No, you are talking personal. You are making it personal.
Ki personal korisu moi? Why ki personal korisu? Moi koisu আপোনালোকৰ এনেকুৱা অৱস্থা বেয়া কিয়? এটো বুজি নাপায় নেকি?
Why?
মই ডাইৰেক্ট কথা পাতিছো.
Not allowing me to speak up till now. You are talking about your
খালি মুসলিম পলিটিক্স কৰিলে কি হ'ব নেকি?
All kinds of funny things we are.
কি ফানি? মই ফানি কিবা কথা কৈছো? You forgotten কি অসমত হিন্দু আছে? অসমত হিন্দু আছে নে নাই?
Saying funny. You
অসমীয়া হিন্দু আছে নে নাই?
Whom are you telling me that?
আপোনাক কৈছো মই. I'm telling you.
Was there
What have you done for Assamese Hindus? কি কৰিছে আপুনি?
I'm asking you now.
কি কৰিছে? What have you done for Assamese Hindus?
Now I'm asking you.
What have you done for Assamese Hindus? You sideline them.
I'm asking you.
Sideline them all over Assam. কি কৰিছে? Bangladesh report লৈ আহক সৰ এৰিয়াত বহাই দিয়ক.
Who has?
Should I tell you what you've done in Assam?
Who has taken Assam? Congress.
Forget it. Congress made Assam. Hiteshwar Saikia said once Gaurav Gogoi, can I tell you what? 1 minute. I'm giving it back to him in Assamese today. He will understand what I can give back. Don't teach me about Assam. Apunatke besi Ohomia moi. Apunatke besi.
Okay then.
Congress party boi bikri no koru Ohoma. We don't sell Assam like you do.
But who knows?
When have you spoken? I put Gaurav also. When have you spoken? When have you spoken for Assamese Hindus?
You are taking.
Khali Bangladeshi Muslim ko nahi pala vote bank politics koi thakbo kinale cholibo apne. How long will this carry on? We koise.
Yes, politician. The Congress party.
Borpeta 3/4 Muslim keneke hol?
What against politics?
Keneke hol?
Not you. Not you.
Hotor mati bila kune nile?
Not your predecessor.
Kune nile? Aru kune loya nile? Who sold the Hotro lands? Who sold? The centers of Hindu.
Independence to Assam. Was Assam ever in India? Was Assam in India?
Was Assam in India? Look at the incendiary language. Are you seeing him now, Gaurav? Are you seeing him?
It is Congress.
I provoked the Congress. Quote Congress. There's no Congress in Assam. Basic sensitive.
Disturbed him.
I've disturbed him deliberately because I have told him in Assamese that at least
that exit poll may not be all true. But even if it is true, so what?
So what? We will remain pro-Muslim party.
We can still on fighting.
Now listen to me,
We don't surrender just because Arnab Goswami gives us threats.
Arnab Goswami threat dise apnak. Hosa kotha kobole threat hoy. I've given you a threat.
Arnab,
I've told you the
Arnab, I
truth.
think,
you're
he
shouting,
has a point there. We must
you're
listen to
shouting,
him.
you are scolding.
What he is saying right
Yes,
now.
মোৰ লগত personal হ'ব নাযাব. I can give it back nicely
Please
to
hear
you.
me out,
হ'ব দিয়া.
please. We heard you.
হ'ব দিয়া.
No, you can't do anything to me. We have
Who is doing anything to you? I'm not interested.
You know,
I'm not
how
interested
you
in doing
listen